If you don't agree with the reason a buyer gave for a return, you can request a postage credit. Head over to Seller Hub and select Returns under the Orders tab. Click on the return ID, scroll down to Report a Problem and select Disagree with the reason provided. Explain the situation using specific details and photos where possible. The more information you provide, the easier it is for us to issue your credit. So, if a buyer returned a black watch claiming that it was blue, you could send us a photo and brief explanation. Then go ahead and issue the refund. If your report is accepted, you'll receive a credit for the return postage cost on your next invoice. We'll also automatically remove any negative or neutral feedback, defects and open cases relating to that claim. This is just one of the ways that we're working to support sellers and keep our marketplace fair. Discover more on Seller Centre.